guys, welcome back. My name's Neil Gargrove from Routley and Electrical Contractors. We're going to be doing a tool talk review on the Tracer deep hole construction pencil. So you have the pencil there. It's got a nice little holster. You can either clip it onto your tool bag, shirt, trousers, whatever. You've got another one on there as well. Nice little metal shaft on it. Seems quite rigid. You press the pencil top to obviously like your old school pencils, and you can extend or retract the pencil lead itself. Comes with a nice little nifty pencil sharpener, so you can actually sharpen the pencil up yourself. Keep the tip nice and sharp. So it's a nice sharp tip. Comes with a 2B lead itself. You can get replacement leads for them. They come with all different types of grades. 2B's pretty much for marking out joists and all that sort of stuff when you're at construction. But I know the carpenters tend to like to use 2H because it's a bit harder and you get a finer point. But it gives you a nice, good, strong line. That's you know, feels good in the hand to use. Gives you a nice clean, tidy edge. The main purpose of this pencil is to mark holes at depth. So somewhere where you couldn't normally get a pencil in, you can mark 145 millimeter depth with a 6mm hole, or 100mm in a 3mm hole. So you can pretty much extend that pencil to the full length of the 120mm lead, and it'll give you a little marker so you can poke it down inside the hole, give yourself a nice little mark, and you get a nice little mark on your timber or your work surface, whatever you're working to. The lead's pretty sturdy. It's not going to break too easy, and you can retract it back or release it back out. It's a good quality pencil, and I think most construction workers should have one in their toolkit or on them. It's not one of the type of pencils that you stick behind your ear easy, so I don't know how you'd get out of that habit if you had that habit to start with. My brother has one of these. He's a roofer, lead worker, and he swears by it, marking up the lead itself. It gives a nice clean line for them that you can see on the lead, and it doesn't damage the lead at all. As you can see, it's quite soft and it's coming off quite easily, marking on my finger. But yeah, the design purpose of marking it out through deep holes is perfect for the job. Normally you couldn't get a pencil in there. So overall, I think it's a great unit. Perfect for any construction worker. Must have in a toolkit or on you in person. Go out and buy yourself one. Thanks for watching.